Hello and welcome to another episode of Microwave Me. You're probably wondering, what's with all the snow? It's spring. And there was no snow when you were microwaving before. Well, the thing is, this has been a very mild winter and we're just now having normal weather for this time of year. If it would have been normal, like it usually is during those times I was microwaving, there would have been 3 feet of snow around the microwave bench. Anyway, here's a kiwi, and we're going to find out what happens when you cook a kiwi in the microwave. Oh, I'm sorry you couldn't see shit for that one, but kiwi don't really make much light. For the next one, it's gonna more than make up for it. Now you could definitely hear what was going on. It was sizzling, and it looks to be perfectly okay. Just a little bit leaky and heated up. And I promise with the next experiment you're going to actually be able to see what's going on. But anyway, for this one, I'm going to declare it good idea.